Hello everybody, welcome to another Blackpool vlog. So I wanted to start off by apologising for not ending yesterday's vlog. Basically I had a panic attack in Cornwall Island and I just did not feel well whatsoever. Felt absolutely horrendous, and I felt horrendous all last night until I went to bed, and then whilst I was asleep I had the worst night's sleep since I've been here this week. And honestly it wasn't good, so I am quite tired today. I haven't even had any breakfast because I'm still not feeling great, so I might get something when we go out. But it is currently 11:25 and we are about to head out because we are going to St Anne's, which I'm very excited about. Can't wait to go because we were supposed to go yesterday. My mum wanted to play the golf, I wanted to play the golf, you know, just didn't have time. It's meant to be rain today, so I'm going to bring my coat with me, and I'm going to wear my proper pumps and not my sardines because I don't want to be wearing sardines in the rain. I think we're going to go to Tubcarver. I need to go downstairs where the Wi-Fi is and book that because you have to book things in advance now. I just finished editing yesterday's video, and I'm about to get my phone and my keys. I'm just going to turn the plugs off. Yeah, my phone's charged, that is good. I'm wearing this phone case today, and it is a friend saying from Chandler. It's I'm not great at the advice, but can I interest you in a sarcastic comment? This is what I'm wearing today. This is actually Anastasia's merch from Skinny Dip. And then I'm wearing this red skirt. So yeah, I'm in red today, same as my mum. Got a headband on today. Yeah, gonna head out, just finished, gonna pack my bag. And put my pumps on. I think my pumps are in my mum's room. Gonna nip to the toilet and then I'll probably see you on the bus. It don't take that long actually to go to St Anne's. I'm wearing my Nickelodeon badge, which I don't know if I showed you this. I went to Pest Beach, but I got from the Pest Beach. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly do that and then head out. So I will see you on the bus. Very excited to go to St Anne's. I love St Anne's. It's my favourite, one of my favourite places to go to. I don't need my keys apart from to lock my door. I think that's it. Oh, I need my coat. I'm going to put that in the trolley because I'm not carrying it about because I think it's not meant to rain until this afternoon. So yeah, I'll see you on the bus. So currently sat in St Anne's. Just sat on this bench waiting for my mum and Richard. They're just doing some child shops down here. I didn't want to go in with them because I don't know, I'm not really a fond of child shops no more, to be honest. I'll go in them, but I'm not fussed. So we've been here, I'd say about half an hour. It is 12:45, just about. And I've got to go over to Tubcarver, put that on the bus, and that's at 3 o'clock. And we've been to a child shop on here, just on there, and then I went into Highland and Barrett because a YouTuber called Naomi Smart, I've met her. She has brought out this range called Smart Skin, and I thought I would look at it. I haven't watched a video about it, to be honest, but I think it's to do with skin care and body stuff. So I asked to see if they had in it, and they don't have it in that shop, but they do in other shops. But I also inquired about things about my IBS, any relief stuff, and I've got some peppermint tablety things. I take them in the morning, 2 in the morning, and then they're in your system for the rest of the day. And then my mum got some vitamin D tablets. I think I can show you because I'm in here. So these are the tablets. You get 120, and then my mum's Vitamin D3. So yeah, Mum's got some books. We've got me to do a shirt because it's his birthday today. And yeah, I ain't even wrote on his card. That's bad. But I blamed my panic attack yesterday, to be honest. I really blame that because, yeah, we weren't in the mood. I'm just gonna move my foot. My toe is still actually really hurting. And last night we were in Poundland and we went on Mario Kart, me and my mum, and I won her. And somebody's pinched a stick. She like put it down obviously to play the game, and somebody has nicked my mum's walking stick. Like, who in the right mind would nick a walking stick? I just don't get people, to be honest. I really don't. So now she's like walking about without a walking stick, bless her heart. So I'm keeping an eye on her today and I'm walking. She's doing okay so far. But I've got her anyway, like I'm walking with her and I'm looking after her. But yeah, I'm resting my toe because bag on me flipping hurts and I don't know what the fudge I've done to it, because it's not rubbing on anything. It's just agonising pain. So I don't know what's wrong, but it hurts. So yeah, I'm gonna probably catch you, I'm not sure, probably a bit further down there. My mum's put my new octopus keyring in because I was in Central Pier I think it was like Sunday or Monday, I want to say. I think it was Sunday, or it could have been Saturday night. My octopus like fully came off the keyring and it wasn't like mendable, so I just literally took it in the bin in Central Pier. So I went to get a new one. I've got a pink and a blue one, and I don't know how much this was. I can't quite remember. I think like £2 something on Central Pier. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't rain. I mean, it looks quite like dark, to be honest, like quite like black clouds everywhere, so I'm not 100% sure. So yeah, I'm gonna go a bit from my mum. I don't know how long she's gonna be, to be honest. And then I'll probably catch you a bit further down and let you know like what my mum's bought and stuff, and we'll probably go on the pier before dinner. But yeah, I'm very excited about my turbo car, but even though I'm not eating, and I haven't eaten today yet, I've eaten like literally like a Twix bar and that's it. I've got some fruit pastilles in the trolley, but I might get them out in a minute. So yeah, I didn't go down to Jim's Cafe today because I just didn't feel well, to be honest. So yeah, I'm gonna wait for my mum. There's a farmer's market on. It's currently just over there, but I'm not really into farmers markets because it's all to do with food and we're not really a big massive like new people to taste food, get what I mean? So I'm gonna go and I'll see you a bit later on. I've turned the brightness up because otherwise you won't be able to see me, because like this is a normal setting I have on and it's a bit dark, so I've just turned it up a bit, so that's why the background's a bit like washed out. So yeah, I will see you a bit later on. So it is 4:45 and we've just finished the tour. So I haven't vlogged for a bit, but there's been so much wind, as you can tell in here, and it just hasn't been, you know, good to like film in the front. Freezing cold and stuff. Yeah, so I'm like, I'm not gonna vlog in the wind. So we finished off with the charity shops, and then we rushed, I wouldn't say we rushed down, but we got dead fast down to Turbo because our reservation was at 3. Just finished that, and now we're going on the golf with there's actually a few people here, so yeah, it's actually freezing today. Can't believe the difference between yesterday and today is really weird. But yeah, it's actually dead quiet in Sansa. So we're gonna go on this golf and then we are going to go and nip in the pier. Richard has gone down to the sands is going to like do some metal detecting and some stuff. I'm not sure, like digging some, I don't know, many things. So yeah, there's a couple of people here, so I'm gonna wait a little bit. It's got like mini links, so I'm gonna walk this way because it is a one-way service thing. So yeah, I'm going.
Check through. Right hand. Check eight. Cat holding one on here.
I think I'm going to put my trousers on, to be honest.
Oh, I said.
Do you know what? You did that last year.
I know I did that last year. And you know what? I might do it next year if you're okay. That's my first goal. Yeah.
I thought I was going to go flipping over edge then, though.
Actually.
I was like, you're kicking it flipping back to Bpool.
No.
Why the fudge is that with you?
Oh, I might want to carry on.
Oh, hold on.
With your tipping.
Go on then.
That's 3.
Yeah.
4. Ah, clever cogs.
3.
Right. Going away.
I hope I'm happy with that.
1.
Literally just dropped my stick on the floor.
Get blown away.
Oh!
Come on!
Finally.
Stopping here because I keep falling. Whoa, that was a whack. Not hard enough. Look. Right. Yes! Yes!
Ma!
What are you taking? What?
Oh, hey!
That's it, country. Go on. Right. 4.
Wait, same as me. Basically, scores on the door. It's freezing, to be honest. So it is 9:15 and we are just in happy days at the moment. We've had our tea. I've literally just had a packet first and some buttons. That's about it. I'm not really hungry still. My mum's had a cup of soup in the hotel and then we've just had a trifle. And then, so after last time I spoke, we went onto the pier, spent a bit in there. We didn't like get any tickets or anything, we just like went on like game machines I suppose, and then we caught the bus back to the hotel, and like I said, had this tea, got ready. I've changed into some trousers because it is freezing out there, and now we're in happy days. So yeah, we're going to spend a bit in here and then I think we're going to go to Central Pier. I'm not too sure. So yeah, I'm going to spend some money and I will see you a bit later on. I'll probably film in the Central Pier. Let's hope I win some money. I very much doubt I'll win any money now, but you never know. So we've come in a lot earlier today. It is 10:35 and just resting my legs because I'm flipping the curl. But I need to go into my mum's room because she's knitting my makeup wipes. So sorry I didn't vlog, but basically we went to walk to Central Pier, like he was opposite the place where he was, and it closes at 9 PM and it was like, I think it was 10. So we went into this place called like Fun Palace and we probably spent like half an hour there and then we got the bus back. No, about 9, I don't even know, but too tired. Anyway, all I know that it's 10:35. I'm in bed a lot earlier today. I'm just gonna chill on my phone, and just, you know, rest my feet because it's getting to end of week and my feet are like, oh my god, can you stop walking please? So yeah, I need to go back into my mum's room and get my makeup wipes. I didn't win any money except I won, I think, £7 on my bingo game, which I'm quite happy about that, and like 40p on like this other game, so very happy about that. So yeah, I'm gonna go get dressed, get changed. Well, I'm already changed. Just get dressed, my makeup off and get ready for bed. I'll let you know tomorrow where we're going. I know where I'm going, but I'll let you guys know where we're going tomorrow. You might already guess, but you never know. I'm still trying to decide what outfit to wear, because I'm trying to decide what might be comfier for like going home in. So I'm not sure. Anyway, I don't know if I told you, but while we were in St Anne's after the golf, I think I told you, but I'm not sure if I did. If I did, I'm sorry about it, just skip this bit. I was pushing the trolley and they had like a metal gate, and the gate like swung back and hit the back of my ankle. Pain, oh my god, the pain. And it bled for England, and literally had to stick like a hanky in like where the shoe is and my ankle, so in between, and then I wore that over until I got to the hotel, and then the hanky was covered in blood. I've had to put like a massive plaster on. Thankfully it hasn't like seeped through my plaster, so I think it's, you know, it's like a glaze. So yeah, but I feel enjoying myself today. So I'm gonna get my makeup off, and heading, just chill in bed for a little bit. So if you guys did enjoy this video, please do give it a massive thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new. If you are subscribed, hit the notification bell, and I'll see you guys tomorrow morning with another vlog. Hopefully I get a better night's sleep tonight. I'm pretty sure I will, because I'm tired and I didn't have a good night's sleep last night, so fingers crossed I'm fine, and I haven't had any panic attacks today. I just haven't felt well from yesterday, so I think I should sleep well, hopefully. But yeah, I can't believe like tomorrow's his last like full day. I'm so gutted. I really don't want to go home, but I want to go home to see my officer, like guinea pigs, my boyfriend and my friends, but on obviously my nan and auntie. But yeah, right, best go and get my makeup, to bed, and I'll see you tomorrow morning. Good night. I'll pass this on to my mum when she comes in my room.